everybody, welcome to Science Foods. My name is Anush and this is my big birthday. Today we're going to make a stick figure play soccer. I'm not going to...
So you might be wondering, what do you mean by you're going to make a stick figure play soccer? Now, I'm going to show you. All you need for this simple experiment is a whiteboard marker, a plate, and a glass half cup of water.
But not a permanent whiteboard marker.
Only a whiteboard marker. Don't take a permanent marker.
You can make it small, a bit thick, but not too thick. Okay, while we wait for it to dry, this is what happened. The solvent in the ink evaporates, leaving behind the color pigments which are
insoluble in water.
Yeah,
which basically means they don't mix with the water. Let's wait for a few seconds more.
not minutes.
Yep. Wait for some. His arms look like he has muscles. But he has muscles, but
Toned muscles.
no, not toned muscles. Okay,
But he doesn't look like he has six-pack.
no.
Not even.
Should I start pouring on this?
Yeah, I reckon.
Yeah, me too.
Can I pour?
Yeah, sure. Go for it. Slowly, you know how to do it.
Yeah.
That was it. Oh, that's a bit too fast. So, guys, let me just say what I've said before. The solvent in the ink evaporates, leaving behind the color pigments, which are insoluble in water, which basically means they don't mix with the water. Okay, slowly, let me try now. You got to be really slow and steady.
And careful.
Okay, a little bit of his hand came off, but that's fine.
Most of his hand
He's
is
just trying to kick it. Come on, mate. You can kick it. You can kick it. Come on, mate. Just kick it. Just kick the ball.
We should wait for the ball to come to him.
Yeah, that's true.
Because
Instead of playing soccer, he's now doing some
Gymnastics.
acrobatics. Yeah, gymnastics or something.
yeah,
Get him in the center.
Let's try to get him in the center.
someone in my first school used to be able to do that. But except she could stand up
Okay.
and put her leg to her
Wow.
face.
Isn't this cool, guys? Guys?
Try to straighten him.
Yeah, let's try to straighten him and try to kick the ball. There, yeah, he kicked the ball. No, he didn't. But, yeah, now he's kicking the ball.
Oh, that's cool.
It's cool, guys.
Guys,
Let's just try to make him kick it once and then more. Headbutt it, mate. Headbutt it. Come on. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And if you want to do your own science experiment, definitely do it. And send it in the Gmail link in the description below.
we're gonna post it on our channel.
So, yeah, other than that, we'll see you in our next video. Bye.